The onion salad that can't be missing in your barbecue. I'm pretty sure that everybody's gonna love it and ask for this recipe. This recipe is very simple, guys, and it makes all difference in your barbecue. We'll need 4 purple onions. It has to be the purple one because it is a little less acid than the traditional one, but you prefer the traditional one, guys, and you dare it, you can do it, okay? We're going to cut it this way, all right, and separate the stripes. There's no mistake, guys, just do like the video. If you don't want to use the knife, you can use the peeling and it's gonna be perfect as well, okay? And it's way more practical. You can do it the way you prefer. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from so I can send you that special hug on the next video, all right? After cutting all of the onions, we're going to put it in a bowl and season it. I put a little bit of ice before seasoning it with water. This process will help to take out the acid from the onion, okay? So wait there a little bit, about 15 minutes, okay? It's super fast. Now going back, just sift it and then put it back in the bowl. Now we are going to season it, guys, and it's gonna be amazing. Let's put some coriander. I know that many people don't like it, but it's totally optional. I put parsley, olives, salt to taste. You can put a lot of salt, black pepper, and guys, put a lot of oil. I put 1 cup of it, okay? It will let it even more delicious. Then let's put some more vinegar. A lot of people don't like vinegar, so it's totally optional as well. Let's mix everything very well until it's all together, okay? It's important that the oil is in all of the onion, guys, and it's gonna be like this. We are going to put inside of a jar, like this. And if the liquid is still there, you can put inside of the jar, okay? Don't throw it away. Then it's gonna be well conserved and tasty. The longer this onion is inside of this, it will be tastier, okay? And this recipe is amazing, guys, with some meat, with, you know, some barbecue. It's amazing. You put it on top of the meat. Seriously, it's giving me water in my mouth just to remember how it can make a difference. After I learned how to make it in my barbecue, I always make it. And it lasts a lot of time in your fridge, okay? And this was today's dish. I hope you liked it.